Yeah, we'll give a quick review on this Frigidaire PureSource water filter. I have a side-by-side refrigerator and fridge with a water dispenser and ice dispenser. I like to change my water filter out every 6 months or so, and it's been about 7 or 8 months this time, so I'm gonna change it out. But I'll go over it real quick. Come in different sizes and shapes, I guess. Depends what kind of refrigerator you have. But this one here is a WF3CB. Like I said, it's for the Frigidaire. Comes out of all models, but all you do is unwrap it, of course, and it'll slide right in. You just push the other one, it'll release the old one to come out, the new one to go in. Really good. Takes any kind of bad taste or chemicals out of the water. But once you put it in, I usually flush. I'll probably dispense like 8 or 10 large cups of water out of it to let it run through the filter good before I start drinking out of it. But like I said, it's really easy to install. It's the Frigidaire PureSource water filter. It's for Frigidaire here, but also they also make them for other models. Check it out. It works really good.